Hi, I'm Brian Sellers, Industry Marketing Manager for SICK. I'm here today with Jeff Thorstad, who's an instructor here at Hennepin Tech College. So Jeff, thanks for having us in today.
Well, thanks for being here. We appreciate your support.
Tell me more about, let's talk about Hennepin Tech. Tell me more about your school, what you're doing, the classes that you offer, and things like that.
Well, thank you. So Hennepin Tech, we're the Automation Robotics Engineering program, which is really a mechatronics program. We offer degrees in automation robotics and mechatronics. Mechatronics is a 72 credit degree, which is overtaking our traditional automation degree. It adds a variety of skill sets that employers are really looking for now, and giving more of a technological edge for our students when they enter the workforce.
Excellent. Okay, good deal. And how long have y'all had that program?
So the program was originally founded in 1973 through a partnership with PMMI. Originally, the program was a packaging machinery technician degree, where the students would go out and fix all the packaging machinery that was out there. Over time it evolved. In the 80s, automation came in and it became automated packaging systems. And then right around the year 2004, they started buying robots and changed the name to Automation Robotics, with a still very strong emphasis on the packaging industry.
Yeah, SICK is a proud member as well of PMMI, and we enjoy that partnership with them. And there's a lot of schools like yours and a lot of companies like mine that are part of that ecosystem as well. And it's a great program.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So I approached you a few weeks ago and said, hey Jeff, I've got a bunch of products here that I think maybe you guys could use. We put together a bill of material. What are some of the things that we sent you?
You sent me a variety of sensors, anywhere from traditional capacitive sensors to through beam, all the way up to a couple new LiDAR sensors. So we plan to use those in a dedicated sensors class as we expand our program to the Brooklyn Park campus and here in Eden Prairie, where we put the students through various training with the sensors. They identify what it is, hook it up to machines such as a small simulator we have here, and really learn how to use the various types of sensors in real situations.
Excellent, excellent. And that's kind of what we were trying to do as well, is give your students, give them exposure to all kinds of different technologies, because the more they learn here, the more they'll know when they get in the real world. And I'm thinking you probably, in some of the labs that I've seen, you're doing that for a lot of other kind of technologies too, some of the variable frequency drives and some of the other things that you have.
Correct. As we move into the new generation of worker, they like technology, and part of it is obviously technology is becoming more and more important in the workplace. We're still going to see a lot of old machines that have traditional sensors, not the smart sensors, but through all this we're able to give the students an exposure to both the old style and the new style, which everyone has to be able to adapt to when they're out trying to repair or fix a down machine.
Yeah, which is crucial. That's what they need to do. They need to keep the machines up and running. No, that's great. Now, the thing that we're really excited about, and you're the one who kind of brought this to our attention, being a member of PMMI, as I mentioned, I still wasn't quite aware of this program. But tell me a little bit more about this program that you kind of introduced me to, where you were able to really capitalize on the donation.
Yeah, through the PMMI Foundation, they provide matching funds to schools when a company such as SICK makes a donation. So the donation is up to $50,000 per company per year, and that can go to whatever member school they allocate it to. The school can receive more than $50,000 from multiple companies, but for us it's been absolutely fantastic as we're trying to expand the program. We were able to capitalize on your sensors and implement those into a full class. In addition, the cash match from PMI allowed us to buy the equipment to run 2 other classes. So we're absolutely thankful for all the support from SICK and from PMI with the matching.
And I tell you, we're happy to help, but again, the thing that really makes me excited personally is that PMMI can do this for member schools like Hennepin Tech, and I want to kind of emphasize that. If you are a member of the PMMI organization as a school, or if you're even thinking about maybe doing that, that's a nice perk to have that, and and companies like mine and other manufacturers to kind of work with these schools, but then they're able to get that matching cash donation, which is fantastic. And like you're saying, it's giving you a chance to kind of do more with that. You can open new classes, do more stuff.
Correct. This donation with the match gave us the capability to have all the equipment for 3 full classes, which is absolutely amazing. It makes funding for other projects much easier, and the students are the ultimate winners. And with that, the industry partners win because they get a student that is better prepared for the workforce.
Yeah, and I love the program. I think it's great, and like I said, I encourage other schools to look into that, especially if you're a member organization of PMMI now. But well, again, we're very excited about what PMMI is offering to schools like Hennepin Tech, and then from manufacturers like us. If you're a member organization, you want to be a part of that. And if you're a school and you're part of the PMMI network, reach out to us. Reach out to some of these other manufacturers that you might be working with, because it really is a nice perk to get the gifts in kind donation, and then you get the cash adder, I guess, if you want to call it that. But so if you want more information about that, or if there's anything else, again, we're here for the schools. I have a passion for working with educators like you and Hennepin Tech and some of the great schools around the nation. Reach out to me. My email is there at the bottom of the screen. Let me know what we can do. We've got products on hand that we're ready to give and help the new generation of workers be better when they're out there in the field.
Yep, and we appreciate all the support we get, especially from SICK, so thank you very much.
Thank you, Jeff. Thanks for letting us know.
Yep, thank you.
See ya.